My name is Tim Madigan, and I'm the head of school at Churchill. So Churchill is a school in Manhattan, K-12 school for students with language-based learning disabilities, mostly dyslexia, ADHD, and those types of needs. And one of the issues that we have is that we have a lot of student data, and we need to use the assessment data that we have to inform instruction for our teachers. But that takes a long time. So we'd like to ask AI to help us with this. So we were not going to upload student data into ChatGPT or any other platform that is sort of out in the public. So what we decided to do was create an LLM on site. And this was total transparency. I had nothing to do with this part of it. Okay? Tim really did the work, and he created the model using a Mac Mini and loaded these resources onto the platform. And this way you could create a platform that was easily accessible for educators so that they could assess student data in a timely fashion and inform their instruction a little bit more quickly. This is a screenshot of what was created, and the reason it's a screenshot is because one of the things that we learned and one of the issues that we ran into is the time it takes for our platform to answer questions. There is so much data on the platform that it takes a long time. And so when I asked him if we could have a video, he said it would take about 10 minutes to answer one question about student data. And we think about that moving forward. It would not be just one person using the platform at a time. It would be multiple. So some of the lessons learned, things that went well. Solution keeps data private, doesn't put things out into the wider world. Everything was pretty simple to set up. The solution, it works. And it was relatively inexpensive, and there's great open source LLMs to use as well. So the resources are there, and the system functions. But some of the things that we also learned, what didn't go well, the analysis sometimes didn't go so well. So going through and asking questions about student data, monitoring reading comprehension over 3 years for student A, some other pieces of data may have been corrupting those results, so you had to go back through and spot check and sometimes clean the data. Also the speed, which I mentioned, the hardware is slow, so that's something that we need to look for a solution. For our next steps, we want to improve the accuracy and the speed of the system. Research any additional configurations, things that might work, and do some educator testing, get it in the hands of the teachers, and scaling it up so that we can use it on a larger basis. And so thank you